All right, guys, what I have here is the Whirlpool Duet. It's not heating, so it's not working. So what I did was I got down to the bottom, popped this part open right here, and that's the lint catcher. What I'm going to replace is these two fuses. I don't know if you can see them right there. It's that fuse right there. I'm gonna replace that. I'm gonna order on Amazon. I've been kind of looking to see. This right here is the this right here is the element. So whenever I turn the dryer on, it's not coming on. I kind of looked to see with a little light in there if the element was broke or anything. It's kind of dark, can't see anything. I'll get a light here. But I'm gonna replace first these two fuses and see if that works. So I have to open this up right here, the lint catcher, and clean it up. I did clean the duct as well too. Went through the whole thing, cleaned it, went to the back, cleaned it as well too. But I did unplug it. So as you can tell, it's unplugged. So before you kind of do anything, be sure to unplug it. So I'll let you know what's going on. So again, I'm gonna take this screw off, that screw right there, there's a screw right there. I believe there's another one up here, and I'm gonna take that one off. Then I'm gonna clean it up thoroughly, put it back, order my fuses, and I'll get back to you. All right, thanks guys. So this right here is the lint catcher. I just took it off. I'm fixing to get behind there, move that screen. But it's not too extremely dirty. It is dirty though, but I have to clean it up and I'll get back to you. All right. So this is what I'm fixing to take off right here and order them both. So we'll wait for Amazon. Here goes the element. I kind of looked too to see if it was broke or anything like that, but I didn't want to touch it. So, but the way it looks, it doesn't look broke. So first, I'm gonna replace that. I already checked to see if there's any clogs. Nothing. Taking out my lint trap, cleaning that up. And then we'll do this fuse and see what happens. All right, guys. Okay, I got my pieces in. I'm gonna put this piece in and also this piece. So these are the two pieces that I got on Amazon. I'll put a link down below so that way I can see which ones they are. All right. So there are 3 screws we gotta take off from the back. And then we're gonna push this forward. Then we're gonna take that undone. And then we're going to pull off this bevel. Okay, we look at everything right here. How we're going to take everything apart. Okay, I already put the new one. This is the new one. This is the old one. New one. Okay. Now I'm going to start putting all the screws back together. I already put the top and bottom one exactly the way they were. Okay, looks like it works. I put everything in. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna put everything back together.